For over 100 years, we have been constantly looking for new and exciting ways to share our passion for producing incredible prints and to help printing professionals like you grow your business. As a global leader in professional imaging, Canon continues to invest significantly in new innovations in inkjet technology and workflow excellence to change the world of printing forever. As you become increasingly creative, ambitious, and daring by producing astounding applications on an ever-increasing variety of substrates. Since their introduction in 2007, Canon Arizona flatbed printers have successfully served traditional markets like photography, industrial printing, screen printing, and especially sign and display printing for advertising and retail applications. Now, new, innovative, and stunning applications in new vertical markets are boosting demand. Volumes continue to increase each year as UV flatbed printers in particular take the sector to the next level, offering great commercial opportunities, from promotional items to furniture, from decor to architectural materials. The only limit is your imagination. The award-winning Arizona series laid the foundation for photorealistic flatbed printing and has been leading the field ever since its introduction. Let's go back to 2007, the year the smartphone disrupted three industries: music, mobile, and internet, by integrating them into one single device. And that's also the year that saw the launch of the Arizona 250 GT, the first in the series of printers that has defined the way we perceive true flatbed printing. It was recognized with the DPI Vision Award, given to a new digital imaging product development most likely to have a profound and positive effect on the industry. Since then, the Arizona series has gone from strength to strength, collecting more than 50 international industry awards for exceptional image quality, versatility, and productivity. Fast forward to 2009, the year the world record for the 100-meter sprint was broken at the World Championship in Germany, showing exhilarating speed. The second-generation Arizona was introduced. With tremendous upgrades such as white ink to unlock new applications with the ability to print on colored and transparent media. At the same time, the double-sized XT table and dual-row printhead architecture were introduced, substantially increasing print speed and useful productivity. Moving on to 2012, the first commercially available electric car was introduced to the world, changing the way we look at mobility. The improvements introduced in the third generation of Arizona flatbed printers pushed accuracy and flexibility to new heights, enabling razor-sharp prints over and over again. The added varnish ink channel completed the modular setup for Arizona printers. In 2016, the American team was virtually unstoppable at the Olympic Games in Rio, taking home 121 Olympic medals, 46 of them gold. In the same year, Generation 4 of the Arizona flatbeds introduced sophisticated elevated printing, a new dimension in flatbed printing that opened the door for even more high-value applications. Advances in easy and accurate media loading and automatic maintenance were also implemented, improving ease of use and increasing productivity and uptime even further. And if we forward to 2020, we still didn't stop. Our engineers continue to develop the Arizona series, and the fifth generation was born. The latest additions including LED curing, an important step forward in environmental friendliness while saving money and time. Enhancing the beautiful new design, the latest generation of Arizona flatbeds features Prisma Guide XL, intuitive workflow software that eliminates errors, reprints, and unnecessary waste by providing and dynamically creating repeatable recipes for complex work. In the year of the dragon, the Olympics for printing returned to Germany and opened its doors again, Drupa 2024. At Drupa, our innovation shone through once again with the introduction of the patented Arizona FlexFlow technology, completely eliminating vacuum zones and making the flatbed table work for our customers instead of the other way around. The FlexFlow offers hold functionality, which helps to hold media down on the flatbed table, and also the float and instant switch functionalities to improve media handling. It's no wonder the Arizona has retained its place as a global leader, with thousands of installations worldwide and lots of first-day installations still running.